I thought it'd be more than just talking hands today, and actually show you guys what I did. Now, for this repair, you're going to need specifically two sets of things. This is going to be to fix your Area-51 M15X. This is the old M15X, not the new all-powerful, or whatever they're calling it now. This is with the Core 2 Duo, Core 2 Quad processors. You're going to need two sets of tools. One's going to be your micro set. Now, I'm missing one here because it's right here. This is specifically the one you're going to need. And of course, you're not going to be able to tell what that is, but I can tell you that's the Phillips or the plus head size number 1. That's going to be your most important tool for this project. The other thing you're going to need is actually, very strangely, a socket head. This is a standard 6-sided socket. This particular one is a 6mm. Now, I'm pretty sure that they're using some type of imperial measurement, but 1/4 fits. Not perfectly. This is slightly smaller than 1/4. It works a little better, and of course I have it attached to a screwdriver bit. So those are going to be your two basic things to fix this. This is of course to fix the screen cracking issue, which you should already know from. Alright, let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is take off the front panel of the display. Now, I've already done this. I've had my panel sitting on a shelf for quite some time, and I don't think I'm going to put it back on. Now, I like to lay the display flat on the keyboard and lay the panel back. Now, to do that, you're going to need to disconnect the inverter board and what turns into the Alienware logo on the top. You'll notice I glued this stuff back together, and I actually used glue. I used industrial glue. This stuff is the best. I love this stuff. This is industrial strength glue. This is what I use to repair this system. Now, somebody else from the forums, I forget your username, I'm sorry, I apologize, I'll put it in the comments when I figure it out. He used some type of epoxy that was steel. All I remember about it was steel. I'll put the name of the epoxy he used in the description as well. Now, he just repaired these nuts and basically did the same thing I did with the PL Premium, but with the epoxy, and he was very satisfied with his results. You might want to do that if you don't want to pull apart that center section, but I cannot recommend this highly enough. The screen wobbling issue has absolutely nothing to do with these bolts, so feel free to loosen them up quite a bit. You want to loosen those two nuts, but you don't want to loosen them too far. If you loosen them too far, your hinge is going to fall apart. You don't loosen them enough, you're going to end up with the same case cracking issues you did before. This whole repair is going to be for nothing.